Welcome to stream, like bro. What you doing? What you cooking? What you cooking? We'll show you. We'll show you momentarily. We'll show you what we're cooking. And bacon, and Jackson's over here fucking dying on me right now. There's a bunch of people behind the camera right now, but you'll be seeing Jackson and I mainly on stream. We got a whole setup here. He might be our cameraman for today. Arson? No, we're not burning down my house. This isn't what we're doing. Whatever.
That was the plan.
I think that was not the plan. That was. Oh, you guys gonna help burn my house down? Yeah. So, actually, let's show them. Bring over the supplies.
Okay, here we go. Okay, we gotta start this.
So we got. Oh shit! I just opened a highlighter. What the heck just I open? There we go. All right.
We have 2 chicken sandwiches here.
Gunkies, yeah, the gunkies. What's going on, everybody?
And then we have Cajun fries and mac and cheese. Did they only give us 1 mac and cheese or 2?
We are making, so for our meal, the first meal, it says cooking stream orders food. No. We're going to be making something with Popeye's food.
We're making a new...
I'll angle. We'll figure out camera and stuff.
We're making a secret thing.
We're going to be... Yeah, we're going to make a secret dessert after we we're making gunk. Yeah, good one. Fantastic. We're making what do you call it? A crunch wrap. We're just gonna jump into this. Cook Nanta's favorite ramen. Yeah, dude. What's up, Flame? What's up, Your Slayer?
Okay, here we go.
What's up, Olympian?
So, disassemble this.
The sauce is in it. We're copying Cody Co's recipe, but he used Chick-fil-A.
No. We've already fucked it up. Who wants the bun? Here you go.
No one will have the bun. No, I'm gonna
just kidding.
They have specific inlays for the Bottom Club.
Bro, it's got a pair of cheese.
God damn.
Hey, check out the booty on
God damn, that's good. Taco Bell X hamburger. No, it's actually Popeyes. We had to drive it all the way to Popeyes.
That fake is beautiful.
Eating on stream with me. Kay's playing a game. It's showing on Discord. Kay, you're playing a game right now. On Discord.
Yeah,
Metro. Send me your address? Yeah, no. Does that look good to you? Does that suffice your chef critiquing skills? It's fucking raw! Oh my fucking god! My name's Gordon Ramsay and this is fucked up! This is absolutely fucking
Microwave
stupid!
reveal? Oh dude, I know that meme. I said that.
Nothing can stop me, I'm all the way up!
I don't even know what I'm doing, but I think I'm
that
doing
suffices.
Okay, oh shit, we forgot to fucking get the pan hot. Put the olive oil on it.
Are you guys ready for this shit? Holy shit! Alright, so it's actually on, it's going right now.
Okay, we're good. Ready?
Ready. How long do you leave it there?
I'm an amount of time.
An amount of time.
Oh shit.
I don't know.
Well, quickly look at the Cody video.
I'm probably eyeing it.
Yeah, it'll.
You've never made a crunch wrap.
I guess dude, Cody made it.
Yeah, that's what we watched.
This was Chick-fil-A.
Yeah, that's the video we watched.
That's what gave us this fucking idea.
We're not driving to Seattle to do this.
You're a problem.
We decided this yesterday. Stop how good it is, yeah. You have a very nice kitchen, thank you. Do ASMR while eating food? That's a terrible idea.
Oh my god, shoot on the counter. Ow.
I'm gonna expose you.
I am a girl. So he's recording the whole kitchen? I thought. Am I allowed?
Based. Oh, based. ASMR. I'm not doing ASMR. My base, yeah. Homie time. That's exactly what it is. Ironically, it was just maybe 2 of us. Mod Zach's house key. PM ballads telling you okay to mod my house. Make sure it's modded.
Mod his house.
I think we installed Optifine before we did the cooking.
Yeah, exactly. We installed.
We can
the plugins are in.
Now, okay, my cape is displayable and we can zoom in on the crunch wrap. Control it.
Exactly. Sus. It is the sus moment. Zach the vlogger. I actually am a vlogger. Go to my YouTube channel, !YT, and you can see all the vlogs I'm doing. This is actually with my laptop. I'm holding my laptop right now. The one with the red shirt is sus. That's why I said sus. Yeah, he's the imposter. Adam with the $1 bit, with the one bit saying fart. No, I'm not farting.
We're busy.
They're doing something. No, I'm not gonna fart. I'm not doing that. Stretch? You want me to stretch right now? What you cooking? We're cooking a custom crunch wrap. I'll stretch.
A Popeyes crunch
A
wrap.
Popeyes crunch wrap.
Some good shit.
And then we're gonna do a dessert. Let's stretch on stream, boys. Here we go.
No one redeemed it.
No, they did it like 3 times.
You're wrong. See, this is why you need to be banned as a moderator.
I'm not. I'm gonna remove your Kate is the meal. Kate is the meal. Love the shirt. Thanks, Jeff. Thanks, Foodle. That's just kind of sauce. Max is here too. Who's all here? Thanks, Jeff, for the shirt. I love it. Gotta go see you guys. He goes, being valid. Thank you for coming on by.
Wait, should I watch on the screen or in real life?
All right. Yeah, which one do you want to watch?
All right,
Alright, this is the Crunch Wrap test made by Jackson. The Popeyes Crunch Wrap. So far, pretty good. I'm liking it.
Come on, Zach, eat faster.
It's pretty good. It's pretty spicy and hot though. I like it. It's pretty good. That's my review. It's pretty good.
Never mind.
Alright, if you want.
The fail.
The fail!
We failed. What the fuck is this? They fried a man.
Dude, it looked. Yeah, no, wait, lift the bun off. Lift the bun. What? Bro, it's a fish.
No, they fried a fish.
The fish. They put the fish in.
They put the fish in the wrong.
I tried to top out. Dude, literally.
It's sussy.
The sauce meal.
We're gonna die.
We'll be like, alright. This is gonna be like watching the videos from like freshman.
The low quality duck.
It was like, we were just like, oh,
me.
one other.
What do you mean vindicate? What are you doing?
Where did you get vindicated?
I heard the word vindicate.
I'm gonna vindicate these fries on camera.
I like
That's the norm. What is no? Don't do this.
He's breaking it.
Oh my god, wait, no, it's actually making a chain.
Okay, you bring us a pine tree.
Oh
The
my
chain.
god.
Alright, I'm taking that. You wouldn't be able to hear it.
Oh,
I have so many friends. That's my dad. That's my dad. There it is.
Can I man?
Yes, you can have the honor. Yes,
Oh my god, dude.
it's pure glory.
Get out of the way!
I gotta redeem a redemption. I'm going. I'm going. Everyone in the bed? No, not everyone's getting in the bed. They want everyone in the bed. All right. Okay. Sounds good. All right. I'm getting on top here.
We're on the bed.
We're on the bed. We're on the bed, guys.
Hello?
Welcome back.
Wait, guys, I'm gonna barf.
Oh shit! Oh, no,
Alright,
he's gonna do it again. All right, that was the bit.
It's a
What's up, Melody?
What are they?
All right, have a good night, Melody.
Dessert. Everybody,
Yeah.
it's time for dessert. No lolly gagging.
So we're gonna clean this area up. Let's clean this area up. Jackson's the head chef. We're making fudgy brownies now. They're crying, but where's the co-host? They left. Yeah, I got the butter in the large bowl. The butter in the bar bowl.
The bubber in the bar.
Man bun patty. Green chair, pine chair. Jackson really look good with his long hair
Are you
too.
gonna melt it in that?
I'm just gonna wait.
You're just gonna wait. I'm just
Okay, this is really satisfying.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Chat is having a meltdown.
Right, chat.
Don't
It's
do it.
G Laura
Don't
having
do it.
We got like.
Take it now.
What do you mean? How did you
Not
Knock it out of it.
You go
Where are you? Where did you
Whip
grow up?
it. I grew up in
Okay,
LA.
hey,
Well,
stop,
you're supposed to
stop,
like mix it
stop,
in the middle.
Stop!
No, I got it. I got it.
Stop,
I got it.
stop.
I'm a master chef.
Okay, someone get me a rubber spatula. Give me that one on the counter.
This is wrong.
No.
You asked for a rubber spatula.
We're not in the Krusty Krab. This right here.
Oh, you meant the not the spatula. But that's you gotta.
Yes, I
Move that
know.
around and mix
That's
it.
why I'm scraping it down first.
But then
Dude, you were actually a Popeye.
That's not how you do it. You whip it.
Okay.
No. I'm.
Mix, not whip.
No. Don't touch it. Do you mix eggs in a bowl?
Dude,
You whip it.
whisk.
Yeah, no, this is we're whisking to combine. Yeah, where the word whip come from?
Whisk to combine.
It's not a. Okay.
Whisk it.
Oh, you fixed it.
This is a whisk. This is whisking.
He is whisking.
You said whipping the last 10 minutes.
This is how you whisk it.
No.
Stop. Stop. You fucking
No, you're just
idiot.
gonna copy what he said.
I was just messing. I was just. Whisk it.
Stop. Okay.
It's mixed.
Okay,
Look,
yeah, I'll do that.
guys, it's mixed. We didn't
It's
whisk
not
it
mixed
right.
here.
No,
You need a
that's what it
professional.
is.
It's ready to go in the
Alright, let
pan.
me read
Wait,
this
did you
on my
preheat the oven? Oh my god!
That takes 5 minutes to do.
If
Yeah,
we
that makes
mess
no
this up
sense.
in any way, they're going to slide down our throat so slowly.
The fuck are you talking about?
I've never.
if you slightly overbake brownies by like the tiniest bit, they're very
They're like chunky.
You watched your mom do it.
yes,
once.
and they don't have moisture, so they slide
We
down
probably
your throat
could've gotten away
way
with
slower.